Hey friends, this is Mohammad Malik and welcome to my technological virtue on YouTube Tech channel. Today we're gonna talk about upcoming Huawei P40 and P40 Pro 2020. Let's have a look. The Huawei P40 Pro 2020 is one of Huawei's big bets for this year. According to the brand, this newest release will feature a number of amazing and innovative features. As such, it will be much more surprising than its previous edition. The novelty, in addition to the many features presented, will also feature an innovative and incredible finish. As such, it is already being considered by Huawei as one of the most stylish phones ever released. After all, the new model will have a large screen and dimensions that will make it unique. The multimedia services of the new phone model will also be amazing. After all, the news will feature one of the best cameras that exist in the market of this brand. In addition, the launch will feature state-of-the-art services that you will find, such as connectivity, data transfer, and video conferencing services. The Huawei P40 Pro 2020 will be nothing short of the big news for this year. The release date of this new model has not yet been released. However, thousands of people are already waiting for the big day to check all the details in their own hands. According to the brand, as said earlier, this model will be even more technological than its previous editions. The new feature will feature an amazing 40 megapixel camera that will allow users to take great pictures with a resolution of 7303 by 5477 pixels. In addition, you will be able to record video with excellent quality and resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels. The internal memory of this release is also one of the great strengths of this model. After all, it will be 256 GB with the possibility of expansion. The new model will also feature a unique design and finish. As such, it will feature a large 6.4-inch screen with a resolution of no less than 2340 by 1080 pixels. Its dimensions are also amazing, being in all 158 by 73.4 by 8.41 mm. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the fresh news regarding upcoming Huawei P40 and P40 Pro 2020. I hope you like this video. Please tell us in the comment sections that how do you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel, My Technological World. And stay blessed. Peace out. Take care. Bye bye.